Today, we're drawing 67 Brainrot. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Let's kick things off with the number 7. Start by drawing a massive, kinda derpy eye right here. Next, build the blocky outline of the 7 around it. Think Minecraft, but rounder. Wait, no, just blocky! Now add those jagged lines on the side for that sweet 3D depth. Next up, his conjoined best buddy, the number 6. Draw the chunky frame right next to the 7 so they connect. Drop in another giant staring eye. Don't forget that square hole in the middle. Lock in those 3D edge details to make it pop off the page. These boys need to walk, right? Let's give number 7 a sturdy, pixelated leg and a chunky robotic boot. Now, just copy-paste that exact same leg for number 6. Add some little boxy details on the toes so they look ready to stomp. Time to get swole. Draw a jagged, staircase-like arm extending from the 7, ending in a big clenched fist. Add those extra inner lines to give the arm and hand that solid, heavy 3D armor look. We can't leave number 6 hanging. Draw his arm on the other side. matching that exact blocky energy with a chunky fist on the hip. Add the final 3D details. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!